This one here is a young lady that called the police.
You're not, if they don't want you to film on property, step out the street. You know that?
If you're ready to take me to jail, I'm ready to go.
But I'm just saying, if
I
you step
understand
on
that.
the street, that way you don't have anybody complain. You can
Well,
film
he's
from
good
there.
there. They said
I'm
he's
a
good there.
customer, sir.
No,
I'm
listen,
a customer.
listen. I want to explain something really simple. They have the right to refuse. And so you're gonna do that. Sit there, record them. They're fine with it. But if they want you off the property, you're gonna be removed from the property.
Well, yeah, but I mean, they're going to have to let me on to get my vehicle, and that's all I'm here for. So if they want to just,
But right now,
cut everything short, give me my vehicle, I'll go. But it's like they want me here.
It's the way you paid.
I mean,
right now, you obviously see they're gonna be counting, so you're gonna be standing there for a long time.